Hey guys, this is just a little intro to this video, obviously, about what you're going to see in a moment. This video was recorded on the 29th of February, which was leap day 2024, which has already passed since recording that. But let's take a look at what we're going to do in this video, obviously, as we head to the next clip. Now, forewarning to those who are watching this, I mean, this project, well, there are a couple instances out there that are public instances, but they're already down as of March 1st. But there's still a few more that's still on, but they'll soon go as well. But yeah, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. So here we go. Hey guys, today is Leap Day 2024, which is the day that February receives the 29th. Obviously, it only happens every 4 years. But I'm kind of recording this on Leap Day to kind of address something about the project that we kind of took a look on the channel, obviously. You know, for those of you who have watched my previous videos will know about this, more of that one specific video I talked about. So obviously I always showed you the links. So this is all in regards to the 2009 YouTube layout project, obviously, that we kind of took a look at on the channel. So this is the first link that I went to, which redirects to this link. If we actually go to this one, it should redirect us to the other link, but it looks like it's not doing it anymore, so we had to go to the other link. Now I'm kind of filming this because, like, filming this before tomorrow, because this project, the public instances of this project will be closed down on starting by tomorrow, pretty much. I'm also kind of filming on this camcorder again too, so like with that previous video that I did about YT2009. The site does actually take a little while, obviously. With these public instances, you can go on to that website to search for YT2009 public instances, and you'll find a couple of public instances. At the moment, there's like 3 at the time of recording, you know, the last time I checked. But once those other 2, because yes, there are 2 others, that's including this one, that are public instances that worked on older browsers, like this one, which is Internet Explorer 11, which I'll show you. This is IE11 from 2013. Yeah, it's taking a little while now. Oh, looks like a timeout occurred. Yeah, this is the problem with these public instances, because they are hosted separately, obviously, and errors receiving a host timed out. So I had to like redo this again. So web server is returning an unknown error. Unknown connection issue with the Cloudflare. Yeah, that's what this project is kind of hosted on. It's hosted on a different server, but Yeah, this is the quirk with these. Yeah, this is the problem with running the public instances of the YT2009 project. All these web servers and web server errors and stuff. Like it happened like even about like a few days after I made the YT2009 video, like a few months ago, I guess. It was returning web server errors, and then after a while, it was brought back. It was brought back up. Like it returned on. It went back. It went offline for a brief moment. Then it went on. Then it went back online. But yeah, stuff like this can happen, you know, especially for a project like this, especially if you're trying to make a public instance of it. Yeah, I'll have to pause the video here. I'll have to give it a waiting time before I can try again. So I'll be back with you guys in a bit. Okay, I finally got the site up and running again. Take a look at this. YT2009.giabs.ovh will shut down on March 1st, 2024. And there's the self-host tutorial and their Discord for giabs.ovh. Now, tomorrow is March 1st, 2024, so this site is going to go bye-bye tomorrow, obviously, because, well, for many reasons, obviously, that I can't really explain because I don't really know what caused. But I'm pretty sure someone in the comments is already going to ask me about what. But anyways, yep, this is the link here, YouTube. Now, I think one of the reasons why it's shutting down is because there was a lot of technicalities and stuff that kind of like so there's like many faults within. Oops, I did not meant to do that. But yeah, there's like a couple faults within these public instances of. Whoa! Oh my goodness, the timeout. Now, oh my goodness, this is not how this is not how I wanted. Web server just timed out. But yeah, I tried loading a video on this on this site. Obviously, I tried loading a YouTube video, one of mine's, on it. You both using Adobe Flash Player. They're both using the Adobe Flash Player version and the standard HTML5 Canvas one. Both didn't load the videos, and all the videos have no titles displayed on them. Pretty much. But yeah, it looks like I think the site is completely dead now. But yeah, just take one last look at this page before it goes bye-bye in its current state as it is. Yeah, it's not necessarily going anywhere. The site is completely falling apart. Just take a look. Like, this popped up pretty much. Oh, and the whole site timed out. Timeout occurred. Error code 524. Web server was timed out. So even if I would wait and try again, There's like so many downtimes of this one. I actually do have something for the YT2009 thing, obviously. So if I go into this one, this is the official GitHub page for the YT2009 front end, you know, a 2009 YouTube front end. This is their GitHub page. They updated the Flash players for backends. We can go here to see a list of public instances, obviously. So we can go ahead and look at it, and whoa! This instance list will shut down on March 29, 2024. Please host your own YT2009 instance. Steps are continuously taken to make self-hosting less time-consuming. If experiencing issues with hosting, send feedback through GitHub issues. Ah, yes. Yeah, the public instances for YT2009 is basically shutting down like next month, pretty much. So, oh well, I guess it was fun while it lasted. I think they did the public instances just as a testing ground. Obviously, yeah, it was fun to check it out to the public, obviously. Now, from this point forward, after they shut it down, you're gonna have to provide your own host your own instance of YT2009. It's obviously gonna take up a bunch of space on your computer, obviously. So I would probably recommend hosting it on like your server or whatnot, you know, whatever that you have. But yeah, that's down. And old.youtube.com only works on modern browsers, so I can actually click on this. Oh, 502, bad gateway. And this one right here goes, oh, also bad gateway. So all these instances, these public instances are literally not working. So I guess that's the reason why they encourage you to self-host YT2009 to avoid any of those problems that comes with public posting it to the public, obviously. They do have instructions for setting things up, obviously, and notes and whatnot. And you know, regarding YT2009, after they shut down the public instances, I think I'm just gonna have to like keep track of what changes are made to their GitHub page or whatnot. But hosting my own self-hosting my own instance of YT2009, I don't know, cause like they did say that it's gonna take a considerable amount of space depending on how many videos that you can watch on your instance of YT2009, obviously. And yeah, so I think my best bet for self-hosting YT2009 was to you know, have a dedicated computer to host to like self-host YT2009, pretty much acting it as my primary web server, just to primarily host YT2009 and whatnot. But anyways, yeah, okay, and that was the whole video, obviously. Now let's go ahead and check it out, since they discontinued it by today, which is March 1st at the time of recording. So I'll type in this one right here, they probably already shut it down. Connection timed out with error code 522. The initial connection timed out. So yeah, if we do try it again, obviously I'll try it again 3 times. Okay, this is the second attempt, timed out. So this is the part where we usually say third time's the charm, but there's no hope because they already shut down this public instance. Yep. Well, guess that's it. That's it for this public instance. It was fun while it lasted, and they're gonna be shutting down a couple more during this month. So guess it's off to self-hosting YT2009 for everyone else, including me. Which, I mean, there's no problem with that. I mean, yeah, I mean, all this public hosting of YT2009, it was good for a short while, but yeah. One more thing that we'll do, we're going to Google and we'll go ahead and restore the instances. So this is their GitHub page for YT2009, which you can visit, you know, pretty much. I'll provide a link for this in the description so that you can keep up to date with what's happening over in the YT2009 project. And you can also, they have instructions on self-hosting too, since they're starting to shut down more public instances, which we'll go ahead and take a look right now. Instances will shut down on March 29, 2024. Please host your own YT2009 instance by following the instructions on GitHub. So they still got 2 more. They already shut down a couple. But let's go ahead and take a look at these instances as they are in its current state. So at least okay, so that's so the old .youtube.com works, whereas this one doesn't work with a bad gateway. This one it's down, while the other one's up. Let's go ahead and visit old.youtube.com. So not all is lost, but it's only for a short time. So let's go to old.youtube.com. Pretty much opening on MyPal. Oh, let's see. Let's try search. Goodness gracious. Searching, go on the GitHub page, and we'll browse down here for public instances, and we'll visit this one. And so here it is. It loads up in MyPal, but I wonder if this will also load up in Internet Explorer IE11, which I believe it doesn't. No. Oh, this page can't be displayed. Turn on TLS 1.0, 1.1, and 1.2. Oh, really? They're all enabled, but yeah, it does not display in IE11, but it does on MyPal. So here it is in its current state. So at least not all is lost, but it's only for a short time. So let's go ahead and go to my channel. Oh, we got bad gateway. Yep, this is what happens. Even the main site's giving a bad gateway. So yeah, that's pretty much the current state of this the public instances of the YT2009 project. So yeah, it's unfortunate. Sorry for those of you out there that are wanting to try out YT2009 yourselves without resorting to self-hosting. But yeah, self-hosting is pretty much the way to go forward, pretty much. Even if you're trying out YT2009 yourself, there are instructions on GitHub, which I have linked in the description for the GitHub page. They have instructions on how to self-host YT2009 yourself. But yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this, and I hope to see you all in the next one. See ya.